What's up guys, David Falla here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. On today's tutorial, we are going to be doing a mid to low skin fade. That means that the fade is going to be compressed so we can build enough length here on the sides so we can style the hair back. We are going to be shaping up the eyebrows, the beard. It's going to be a full transformation and you guys are going to love it. Before we start with the tutorial, I want to remind you guys two things. All the tools that I will be using in this tutorial, you will be able to find the links in the description of this video. Also, I want to let you guys know that I am offering in-person classes now right here in my studio in New Jersey, but also at your salon or barbershop if you are interested. I'm going to leave the link in the description as well for the in-person classes. So if you want to book me for a class for your team or a private class, the link will be right there in the description. And that's it guys, let's go ahead and start with the video. And that's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like it if you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up because it really helps me the same way I'm trying to help you, so we are helping each other. And how I said, guys, all the links are in the description, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.